Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Aldol condensation of alpha, beta-unsaturated aldehydes under basic conditions followed by heating, dehydration. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. CH3CH is equal to ChO is crotonaldehyde, but 2-enol. It has alpha hydrogens on the CH3 group at the gamma position relative to C is equal to O, i.e., the methyl group alpha to the C is equal to C. Moving on to the next step. Under OH base, the alpha carbon, the methyl group CH3 adjacent to the conjugated system, is deprotonated to form an enolate. In crotonaldehyde, the active methylene methyl is the CH3 at C1 position alpha to the conjugated double bond system. The base abstracts a proton from the terminal CH3 group. And for the final step, the enolate of one molecule of crotonaldehyde, nucleophile at the terminal carbon, attacks the carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O, of another molecule of crotonaldehyde, electrophile. This gives an aldol addition product, a beta-hydroxyaldehyde with the combined 8-carbon chain. Upon heating, delta dehydration occurs, elimination of water from the beta-hydroxyaldehyde, giving an extended conjugated alpha, beta-unsaturated aldehyde. The product after aldol condensation, addition plus dehydration, of 2 molecules of CH3CH is equal to ChO. To C4 units join, the alpha carbon of one molecule, terminal CH3, which becomes CH2, attacks the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule. After dehydration, CH3, CH is equal to CH, CH is equal to CH, CH is equal to CHO, which is CH3, CH is equal to CH, 3CHO. This is an 8-carbon fully conjugated dinyl, 2,4,6-octatrienol, written as CH3, CH is equal to CH, 3CHO. Why other options fail? Option B, CH3CH to CH2, CH is equal to CH, to CHO has a propyl group and only 2 conjugated double bonds. This would require a different starting material or different reaction. Option C, CH3, CH to CH2, 3CH is equal to CHO is a saturated chain with only one double bond, inconsistent with conjugation from dehydration of an unsaturated aldehyde condensation product. Option D, none is correct is wrong because option A is indeed the correct product. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.